In this video we've got the Husqvarna PG400 single-headed grinder, 3-phase grinder. Now we've got my segments on already. There's 9 segments in total. I've got my hose attached to the head, ready for any dust. So I'm going to turn my vac on now. Now when these start, there's a good kick on these, so I'll make sure my stop's out and then I'll get ready to turn it on. Just turn that off. Now as you can see, with the vac being on it, hardly any dust. I mean, it's a bit windy as well, so. But literally just gone over that. It's already keyed the floor. I mean, it depends on what you're doing. It can either be PCDs, rough diamonds, or you could be getting on the way to a polish. Now you can adjust the handle on these. Got a little lever there. These will fold right over, especially if you're trying to get it into a van or you're just leaving it to one side and you need the room. But other than that, cracking little machine. And yeah, that's about it really for the single head.